Everyone ready for today's game, which promises to be a great one. Thanks for joining us tonight. Both of these teams hoping that their 13th game will be a lucky one for them as the New York Jets come into town to face the Oakland Raiders.
You have called heads. Is that correct? Oakland has won the toss and chooses to receive.
The lights are on. Both teams are ready, so let's go to the field for the opening kickoff. Cole in to kick this one off. He kicks it off. Number 31 is looking for a nice return. The Raiders take over on offense at the 20-yard line. First and 10. Set. Dropping back. Surveying the field. Number 1 with the throw. And it's caught. Breaks free of the defender. And he's stopped at the 42-yard line. It's first and 10. Only one man in the backfield. He's going to throw. He surveys the field. Deep pass. Hits his man with the pass. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
It's up. The extra point attempt is good. A good-looking drive, and they scored the touchdown. The offensive unit should be very pleased with their performance on that one.
They did everything they had to on that one. The end result is a trip across the goal line and a TD on the board.
Janikowski will be kicking off. He sends this one toward the end zone. Morton returns this kick.
This is where you want to be able to respond. You also don't want to panic because it's only the first quarter.
It's first and 10. Four-man front this time. The Jets using motion. He's looking upfield. Bryant makes the play at the 30-yard line. Jordan tried to find some room on that carry.
Right now, they need to keep going at the defense with a run. Sooner or later, they'll be able to break one for a big gain.
And they need about 9. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Looking to turn it upfield. Nice spin move there. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 29. He was stopped before he could go anywhere.
Yeah, because those big old defensive linemen pushed those big old offensive linemen backwards.
It's third down, and they have a long way to go. Ball on their own 29. Looking to pass. Stepping up. Throws over to his right. He couldn't control it. The defense hurried that throw.
He had to get rid of the ball in a hurry.
Number 31 sets up, waiting for the punt. Number 31 is already looking upfield. I'll bet you he'll call for a fair catch the next time.
Sometimes you think you've got some room for a return, and the next thing you know, you got a bunch of guys in your face.
So they have first and 10 here. Number 1 sets up. Dropping back. Looking for a receiver. Passing to his left. Intercepted. So they have first and 10 here. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Man in motion. Jordan gets the toss. And the defender brings him down at the 42-yard line. Picked up 10 yards. First and 10. Pennington gets set. Looking for room. And he's brought down at the 46.
When you're making the game plan for the week, you look for your running game to be reliable like this. Doesn't have to pick up a ton of yardage. You just want to do something that the defense has to be aware of.
It's second down and 6 to go. Ball on their own 46. The Jets are in the offset I formation. Searching for a seam. Looking for blockers. Romanowski stopped him for his third tackle so far. Jordan was cut down quickly.
He was waiting for something to develop, and whap! He got developed.
Now it's 3rd and 6 coming up. Ball on their own 47. He's going to throw. Passes left. Knocked down. So he can't come up with it.
That's the old rule. If you get your hands on it, you got to catch it.
Turk will come into this game to punt. Number 31 looks like he's ready for the return. Number 31 will be looking for some good blocking on the run back. An interception brought the last drive to an abrupt end. Will do a better job, I think, of protecting the ball this time around. First and 10. Number 1 gets set. Dropping back. Rolling out to his left. Passing to his left. Nice reception. Henderson makes the play at the 32-yard line. He zipped the ball to his receiver.
Yeah, that's what the receiver's first job is, to catch the ball. And once he has control of the ball, then he can look to stretch it for a big gain.
They're in field goal range. Only one man back. Looking downfield. Tackle. And he's stopped at the 19-yard line. Number 1 found some space. Good gain there. Picks up the first down.
This guy has great speed. Allows him to outrun the defenders if he can get around the corner.
And we're ready to start the second quarter. So we have first and 10 here. Ball on the 19-yard line. Number 8 sets up. Drops back. Rolling right. He's looking. And he's brought down at the 10-yard line. He broke that one for a solid game.
And if you're on defense, you hate this. You have everybody covered, and then the quarterback takes off on you and gets a big gain.
Melissa, what can you tell us about his injury?
The trainer tells me that it is some kind of knee injury, but he doesn't think that it's too severe. They're planning on running a few more tests, but his return is probable.
Thanks, Melissa. That's very good news. With the pass, the defender broke that play up. Number 50 makes a great play by breaking that pass up.
Yeah, just stick your hand in there and whap it down.
It's 3rd down and a yard. Ball on the 10-yard line. Quick drop. And the defender brings him down at the 12-yard line. About 2 to go. Ball on the 12-yard line. 2-minute warning coming up. Drops back. Throws over to his right. And this pass is completed. He really went up to get it.
You know, a lot of these guys played basketball, or still play basketball. And you can really see why when you see him jump that high.
First down and goal to go. And we've reached the 2-minute mark here in the first half. So it's first and goal. Ball on the 2-yard line. Dropping back. Passing to his right. Great catch. He threw it right in there for the
to score. The receiver ran a perfect route and turned around just in time to see the ball make the catch.
The kick is up. The point anchor is good. Janikowski is back and ready to put this one in the air. He gets the kick away. He's looking for a chance for a good return. New York needs 2 scores to get back into this one. An effective 2-minute drill will give them the opportunity to put some points on the board before the half. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 26. Pennington sets up, using motion. They'll go with a pass. Passing to his right. Gets his hand on it. Romanowski didn't give him a chance on that one.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down. Hey, I'm sure they're going to keep on passing so they can get in range for some much-needed points.
2nd and 10. Ball on their own 26. He's going to throw. Stepping up. He surveys the field. Jordan, the intended receiver. Pennington somehow got that pass off.
I'm not surprised that pass went incomplete. I don't think he could even see past that big old defensive lineman rusher.
But he faces a long 3rd down play here. Dropping back. He's looking with the throw, and he makes the grab. Perella pulls him down at the 29-yard line. Crabette doesn't get enough to convert, and that brings up 4th down.
You know, when it's 3rd and so many yards, why the heck would you run a pass pattern that was short of the 1st? Makes no sense to me.
4th and 8. Ball on their own 29. Number 31 will be looking to give his team good field position here. Number 31 will head upfield with his punt. Let's see if they can have the same sort of success on this possession that they had on their last, picking up a lot of yardage through the air on their way to a score. They'd like to add a few more points to this lead, but will need to do a good job with clock management. So they have 1st and 10 here.
Set.
He's going to throw. He surveys the field. Hits the pass off. It's batted away. He swatted that pass down.
An interception would have been nice, but a great play either way. Hey, I don't think these guys are done trying to get closer, so the defense better be ready, or they could be down by even more. I'll tell you, if that happens, I sure wouldn't want to be a player in that locker room at halftime.
He's looking to pass. And he's brought down at the 49. The defense can't be happy at all after letting the quarterback pick up yardage like that.
When the quarterback has good speed, it adds another dimension to the game that the defense has to be aware of.
Ball at about midfield. Dropping back. Looking downfield. Number 1 throws it over to his right. Great catch. Garnes gets on the stat sheet by picking up his first tackle of the game. That reception moves the chains, and they picked up a 1st down.
Not only does he have a powerful arm, but he also has a quick release and accuracy to go along with it. The defense has to come up big, and they'll find themselves in a big hole for the 2nd half. They have to focus on not allowing a touchdown and forcing them to settle for a field goal.
1st and 10. They'll go with a pass. Looking downfield. With the pass, he hits his receiver. Passing to the short option. Nice reception. Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 26 and number 83, deep to receive.
He sends it off. He'll start upfield. It's the end of the second quarter with the score, Oakland 22, New York 0. Get back to the action on the field. Let's take a look at our halftime stats.
Number 11 to kick off. Number 26 and number 83, deep to receive.
He kicks it off. Flag down.
How you kick a kickoff out of bounds sometimes just baffles me.
1st and 10. The Jets line up with 3 wide receivers. Gets the pass off. Nice play by the receiver. And the defender brings him down at the 46-yard line. He really zipped that pass in there.
Hey, I think we need to get this guy's throws on a radar gun. That thing had a vapor trail.
The Raiders line up with 3 wide receivers. Dropping back. Throws it out over to the left. Great catch. James makes the play at the 27-yard line. First and 10. And it looks like an offset on. Man in motion. Looking to throw. Pennington with the pass. Coles was the intended receiver. He couldn't hang on.
With some players, they say the worst place to hit him is right in the hand. Looks like this may be one of those guys.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Looking downfield. Pennington looking for something on the right. He shakes a defender. Harris pulls him down at the 20. Third down and 3 coming up. Penalty marker down.
Prior to the snap, false start, number 63.
The offense practices that play every day. Obviously, that guy needed to show more discipline than that out there.
So they face a 3rd and 8. Ball on the 25-yard line. Only one man in the backfield. He's going to throw. Steps up into the pocket. Gets the pass off. No catch. He was out of bounds.
If you get the ball to the receiver, he's usually going to make the catch. There's not much he can do if he has to catch the ball out of bounds there.
Cole is heading onto the field for this field goal attempt. And it's on its way. It's good. So a successful drive when you look at the fact they did get 3 points out of it.
Not every drive is going to get you a touchdown, so getting 3 was big. Now they got to go over what worked and what didn't, so the next drive will get him a TD.
Number 9 to kick off. Number 31 and number 42.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Kirby is looking to pick up some blocking.
Now you start to look around and you figure, who are the go-to guys? The guys who can respond and get this game close again.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 24. Only one man back. Back to pass. He's looking, rolling right. Loses the defender. the 40. And he's tackled at the 48-yard line. Well, we have a stoppage in play because the coach has decided to challenge the call.
Player ran out of bounds. The ball will be spotted where the player stepped out. No timeout will be charged to the deep end.
So the coach looks a lot smarter after getting the play reversed in his team's favor.
Hey, if you can get a call like that changed, then it's worth the risk of losing a timeout.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 35. Only one man back. Dropping back. Looking downfield. Garnes records the tackle at the 48-yard line. He breaks this one for a gain.
You can run any defensive scheme you want, but I'll tell you this, it's hard to compensate for the quarterback that can scramble and make plays on the run.
1st and 10. Only one man back. Drops back. Rolling out to his right. Deep throw. And he makes the grab. And the defender brings him down at the 4-yard line. So it's 1st and goal. Dropping back. Great job by the quarterback to get it in.
He was like a locomotive with a full head of steam.
And it's up. The extra point attempt is good. And so the offense puts together a very nice touchdown drive. John, I think that drive is exactly what the offensive coordinator was looking for and hoping for.
The more touchdown drives, the better. Now they'll go back to the sidelines and see why they were able to beat the defense for 6. And they'll try and repeat those results the next time they get the ball.
He gets the kick away. Morton is heading upfield. The Jets have their work cut out for them as they take over at the 33-yard line. So they have 1st and 10 here. Looking to throw. He goes to the left side. Great catch. Beaker with the stop at the 48. He never hesitated on that pass.
That was quite a throw. This guy's been blessed with a golden arm.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 48. Looking downfield. With the throw, Moss, the intended receiver. He just dropped that pass.
Well, the quarterback did his job, and he delivered the ball right to him. He's going to have some explaining to do in the huddle.
Melissa, has there been any information on how badly he's hurt?
I was able to talk to the team Dr. Allen. He indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that he'll take a series or 2 off, then return to the field.
Thanks, Melissa. That's very good news. Back to pass. Dumps it off to the short receiver. Romanowski makes the stop at the 44-yard line. They're just about in field goal range. Ball on the 44-yard line. That's the end of the 3rd quarter. The Oakland Raiders are well ahead of the New York Jets. 29-3. New York has a tough road ahead as we begin the 4th and final quarter of the game. It's 3rd down, 2 to go. Only one man back. throw. Pass is left. And this pass is completed. And he stopped at the 40. That reception moves the chains, and they pick up a first down.
With an arm like that, there isn't a pass that he can't make.
They're just about in field goal range. Ball on the 40-yard line. Four-man front this time. Looking to throw. Gets the pass off, and he can't find a way to keep possession. That one goes right off the receiver's hands.
I think he just took his eyes off that one.
Looking to pass. Passing to his left. The defender broke that play up. No one catches that ball.
If he throws it any harder, the skin might come off the ball.
Third down and long coming up here. Pennington gets set. And it looks like there's a penalty on the play.
Prior to the snap, false start. Offense.
That'll move the ball back.
That's just a bad mistake. Plays like that won't help you be in the end zone.
Third down and long coming up here. Ball on the 45-yard line. Four linebackers this time. Back to pass. Gets rid of it. And the catch is made. Harris takes him down at the 28-yard line. And with that catch, he has his first of the day. It's 1st and 10. Almost at the 2-minute mark now. Quick drop. Pennington throws right. And he's brought down at the 24-yard line. He had time to go through his progressions and find the open man.
This guy has great confidence in his arm. He knows that he can make the completion regardless of the coverage.
About 6 to go. And we've reached the 2-minute mark. It's 2nd down and 6 to go. Ball on the 24-yard line. Looking downfield. Steps up into the pocket. Passes it. Nice connection. Woodson makes the stop at the 3-yard line. And that's now 3 tackles for him in this game. First down and goal to go. The Raiders are in the offset I formation. Pennington looking for something on the right. He just couldn't bring that one in.
And nothing is more disheartening to a quarterback than a drop pass. They're going to make the quarterback keep throwing because it's the only way that they have a shot at coming back.
So it's 2nd and goal. Ball is 2.5 yards out. Drops back. Stepping up. Passing to his right. The pass into the end zone falls incomplete.
There's so much traffic in the end zone that it's hard to see those passes coming.
And so running out of both time and downs, they'll have to pick up the first down here to keep their very slim hopes alive. So now we have 3rd and goal. Dropping back, passes it. He finds his man. Great timing on that touchdown throw.
And that's one of those passes we see a lot. When the quarterback releases it, the receiver's not even looking. But then he looks up, and the ball's right there.
The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. Hole trying for the onside kick.
Number 31 and number 42, deep to the center.
And they'll try for the recovery. The Jets have their work cut out for them as they take over at the 43-yard line. The defense is trying to force a turnover, which would put an end to this game right now. So they have 1st and 10 here. They'll go with a pass. Stepping up, Pennington sends the pass away. The 40, the 30, the 20, the 10, and he's in for the score. The quick pass from the quarterback is there for the score.
That was great vision by the quarterback. He looked the defense off his receiver and then turned and fired it to the open guy.
And it's on its way. The point after is good.
Is good.
Cole gets the team ready to try to recover this one. The kicking team trying to recover this one. And he'll return it. The Raiders take over on offense at the 36-yard line. Melissa, what can you tell us about his injury?
Good news, Al. The trainer said he did sustain an injury, but it doesn't appear to be anything serious. His return is probable.
Thanks, Melissa. That's very good news. Looking to pass. The 20. Garnes stopped him for his third tackle so far. He made the play with his feet rather than his arm there.
It's just so frustrating as a defense where a quarterback takes off and makes a play. Because that's just one more thing you have to defend against.
They're inside the 20. Garner, the lone setback, drops back, gets the pass off, and he makes the grab. Good moves and quickness to get him in position to make that catch his first of the game. It's first and goal. Back to pass. The quarterback across the goal line for the score.
That was a great decision by the quarterback. He decided to keep it and run into the end zone.
Number 1, and that's his second rushing touchdown of the game. Dropping back. Surveying the field.
The conversion attempt is no good.
Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 83 to receive.
He kicks it off. Moss is on his way upfield. The offense with a lot of success through the air on the last drive as they move downfield for the touchdown. They'll pass on every play from here on out.
When you're down by more than one score and there's less than a minute left, that's all you can really do.
First and 10. Looking to throw. Passing to his right. And this pass is completed. And he's brought down at the 32. He really lets it fly.
When you have a guy with a quick release like this, it can really frustrate the pass rush. Seems like he always gets rid of it just before they can get to him.
It's third down here. They have to put points on the board very quickly and then hope to recover an onside kick. 3rd and 1 coming up on this play. Only one man in the backfield. Looking to pass. Tosses it right. And he finds the open man. He catches the bullet for the first down.
And when you talk about precision passing, that's what you mean.
Ball right around midfield. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 50. Pennington under center. He's going to throw. It's a pass-off. Moss just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. The defender was able to get in there to disrupt the pass.
Pressure can really mess up the timing of a play. That pass was incomplete because the quarterback had to get rid of it before he wanted to.
2nd and 10. Ball on the 50.
Let's not give him anything. Let's go. Let's go. Bust the run. Bust the run.
Dropping back. Throws it out over to the left. And he just can't hang on, so he can't bring it in.
Sometimes you see the receivers drop the easiest passes. They must be thinking touchdown before making the catch.
Four-man front this time. Looking to pass. Throwing. Coles was the intended target on that pass attempt. He had a player who was wide open in the secondary.
The only thing worse than dropping a pass is dropping a pass that brings up the 4th down.
For the 4th time, he's brought in to kick the ball away. He'll settle under this punt. He'll be taking a knee here on 1st down.
Yeah, the defense doesn't have enough timeouts to force a punt.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Looking to throw. Ferguson got in there for the sack.
He got there and boom! He made himself a quarterback pancake.
And the clock runs out. The final score is Oakland 35, New York 17. On behalf of EA Sports, John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying goodbye and inviting you to join us in our next presentation of Madden NFL 2003.